was doing my makeup this morning, I figured I'd vlog this weekend, so welcome to this vlog. Today I'm gonna be going down to Dana Point. I'm gonna be visiting one of my friends. We're gonna hit up the beach and maybe grab some lunch, and then I'll be coming back. So quick little day trip. This is actually my favorite non-fat plain yogurt. I also get the Chobani one a lot, and that one is a little bit too thick. This one's a little bit creamier. It's from Trader Joe's. There's yogurt in there, I promise. Just finished breakfast and I'm getting ready to go now. Look at how cute this bag is. I just wanted to show you. I got it from Urban Outfitters only because it was on sale, and I was like, I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but next time I go to the beach, I'll use it. I decided to put some fruits in here, and it looks so cute. I have like my grapes, my raspberries, and my banana for the beach, my beach snacks. And that looks so freaking cute. Awful lighting, but I'll give you a quick OOTD before I head out. I'm wearing a swimsuit. This is from Urban. And then I'm wearing this top also from Urban Outfitters. Very adorable. Shorts are from Levi's. And then these little rainbow shoes are from Solutos. I totally recommend. These are like the comfiest sneakers I've ever worn. Also, I know sneakers on carpet, but this is literally the only mirror I can show you my outfit in. Okay, I gotta go because I'm late. I'll see you when I'm at the beach.
That feels good! Woo! Baby! We got to the part where he just jumps over. That feels good! Woo! Baby!
I just got back to my apartment from Dana Point / Laguna Beach area. I love like getting away from LA to go to like these little beach towns. I mean, they're not little by any means, but a very different vibe. So the slower pace is much appreciated. Oh my God, that gelato. The size I got was a small. But then I saw somebody come out after me and he had a large cone, and literally there was more than a pint of ice cream on that cone. It was insane. But, sorry, a pint of gelato. They're different. But it was one of the yummiest gelatos I've ever had. There's still a place back home in Florida that I love more than anything else, but this one was pretty good too. But yeah, I'm really pooped now, so I think I'm gonna shower because I have still a ton of sunscreen and sand all over my body, which was also uncomfortable to drive for an hour in. Good morning, everyone. It's Saturday, or it's Sunday. I think today I decided I'm gonna do my self-care in the middle of the day. I think I just am in desperately need of like a hair mask. My hair is pretty dry since I dyed it recently. But before I do that, I do want to get a workout in because I don't want to get sweaty after I take a shower after my mask. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do a quick arm workout, which I discovered you can do a lot of arm workouts with like the booty bands, like the little bands that you use like to do squats and stuff. I did an arm workout with those and it was surprisingly very good. So I'm gonna try to do that again today and I'll show you some of the moves that I do. Hair mask. I'm using this one from Trader Joe's because I picked up the wrong kind. I got this guy, but you're supposed to actually look for one that's unrefined and unfiltered and extra virgin coconut oil, basically. So this one has been filtered. It still provides some moisture, but I think the best one for your hair is the other kind. So, and then I'm using just this extra virgin olive oil, any extra virgin olive oil, any coconut oil will do. I'm just gonna mix them in here equal parts. So now I've got this coconut oil in my hair, so my hair looks darker. Big ugly t-shirt on that I don't care too much about. Now we're gonna make lunch. Okay, here we go. This is natural lighting so the food can actually look good. Anyway, trick to my diet is that I try to eat mainly veggies. Like this half of the plate is all veggies, that's some protein, and that's my fun stuff. So I just have a salad, black pepper and salt on top, some shiitake mushrooms fried in a little bit of sesame oil, some kimchi straight from the container I buy it in, some boiled eggs, which I overdid a little bit, and then some scallion pancake from Trader Joe's. I've cut it up into pieces, but basically I just heat it up in a pan with a little bit of oil until it's fried good and crispy. And that's my lunch. So it's around 2 p.m. and I washed the oil out of my hair. I just finished doing my makeup and stuff, and I tie my hair in a low ponytail when I let it dry so that it dries straight up here and then whatever curly down here. But that's my little trick so I don't use heat on my hair all the time. Go get coffee now and I'll take you guys along because I live in like the arts district area in LA. So walking around you see a ton of murals, a lot of art pieces. It's very beautiful, so stay tuned. See you in a bit. They're not perfect, which is fine. absolute favorite thing is when the sun rays seep in like this. So peaceful. Indian food because I love the color of the spices. Look at this. So beautiful. So dinner is served. I made this chicken tikka masala, and then I just made some rice and some cauliflower rice for myself too. And a little bit of a salad because I always need some greens, but yeah. So it's Monday morning. I didn't have a chance to film a outro last night. After dinner we watched Game of Thrones and then this new HBO show called Pottery Throwdown, which is so fun. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe and like if you liked it. And yeah, I'll catch you in the next one. Follow me on Instagram.